So what is active recall? Active recall is the idea of being able to stimulate the person's mind to remember the things that have just been learned before. Because learning is not just about content consumption and reading a bunch of articles or watching videos. It's really about deepening that understanding and that knowledge. So active recall is a technique to actually help engage the learner on that experience and that journey. So for example, active recall could be used and applied through quizzes and pop quizzes, or short answers, or reflections, or to remind the learner of what they said in the past and bringing that up into memory and having them reflect on how things may have changed or evolved since they last answered the question. So there are many different ways of applying active recall, but it's a very, very effective technique in order to deepen the learner experience.